Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick, simple, and easy my way video. This is not authentic. This is my way. So we're gonna do some lo mein, and here we have lo mein noodles, celery, coleslaw mixed, which was the cabbage and the carrots. We have ginger, garlic, soy sauce, sesame seed sauce, oyster sauce, and olive oil. And if you're seeing this and you're new to the channel, please thumbs up the video, comment on the video, and then back out and go subscribe to the channel and click the bell and set post notification bells to all. So let's get into this video. Okay crew, so we're gonna make the sauce for the lo mein, and we're gonna start out with a half a teaspoon of sugar. You can use brown sugar or regular white sugar, it doesn't matter, it's your preference. And we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons and a half of soy sauce, then after the soy sauce we're gonna go in with our sesame seed oil, then we're gonna use a half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil, then we're gonna get our oyster sauce, and we're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and guys, if you're doing this, be sure not to add a lot of salt because the soy sauce is salty already, unless you have the low sodium version. Then we're gonna go in with some ginger paste, and some garlic paste. And all this is a half a teaspoon. Okay, so we got our sauce mixed up. Y'all give me 1 second, then we start on the vegetables. Okay, crew, we back. So I'm going with 2 tablespoons of olive oil so we can saute our vegetables. And I have a half a cup of celery and 1.5 cups of cabbage, the coleslaw mixture, which will have the cabbage and I just did 3 tablespoons, which has the cabbage and the carrots. And over here I have a water boiler for my lo mein noodles. So here go the half a cup of celery and 1.5 cups of cabbage and carrots mixture for the coleslaw. And we're gonna use it for our lo mein because I couldn't find natural cabbage and I couldn't find shredded carrots, so we're just gonna do it this way. And it's my take, and I'm not saying it's authentic at all. This is my take on it.
Always on top, alright. Oh yeah, I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you
And I'm gonna add a little salt to the water.
Come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here.
And we're not gonna over saute our vegetables. And guys, we don't have a wok. So, like I said, this is my way, not the authentic way. And I'm not claiming to be Chinese or Asian or none of that. I'm just doing my take on shrimp lo mein. May not be the best way, but hey, everybody make it their own way. You know, everyone cook in a different, unique way. So let us know how y'all doing today in the comment section below. Let us know what you got planned for this upcoming weekend. And I'm actually recording this video on Thursday, and y'all gonna get it today. So we're gonna start going in with our shrimp.
Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family.
Okay, crew, so our shrimp and veggie mixture is done. We're gonna turn the heat off. We're gonna set it right down the bottom. Then we have our little main noodles over here that y'all see right here. Got it ready. So we're gonna drain the noodles. Okay, so we got our little main noodles drained. We're gonna go in with our shrimp and cabbage and carrots and celery. We're gonna give it a mix. Okay, guys, so we got our noodles and cabbage and carrots and shrimp. We're gonna go in with our mixture. And that's all she wrote. We're gonna fix up a plate and show y'all what it look like. And I didn't have dark brown sugar. I mean dark soy sauce. So that's why I got that light brown color. But hey, it's still shrimp lo mein. Okay, crew, so we got the shrimp lo mein ready. And this is what it looked like. And you can see the cabbage, the carrots, and nice size shrimp in there. I just want to give y'all a close up and shout out to baby girl, which y'all loved in the video. Everyone loved when you was cooking the Cajun Alfredo. They was like, oh my god, I just love Riante, I love baby girl. So she's holding the camera for me currently. Yeah, we're just giving y'all a close up. I'm gonna fix the queen a plate, and I'll show y'all the plate, and then we'll close out this video. Stay tuned. Okay, crew, so here's the final plating of our shrimp lo mein. And remember, this is not authentic. This is my way and my take on it. If you're new to the channel and you've seen this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Make sure you like and comment on each and every video. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. Pop's doing it all. I'm out. Peace.